7 passive income sources you didn't know about. Are you ready to have your mind blown with some money-making secrets that'll change your financial life forever? Today, we're diving into the ocean of opportunities, unearthing the hidden treasures of passive income. This video will guide you through 7 passive income sources that you probably haven't heard of. And trust me, they are as exciting as they sound. If making money while you sleep sounds appealing, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything from the realm of digital products, the magic of affiliate marketing, and the untapped potential of your car, to the surprising power of renting out your space. The journey to financial independence starts right here, right now. So stay tuned, and let's unlock these financial secrets together. Because remember, the secret to wealth isn't about making more. It's about making your money work for you. Number 1. Digital products. We kickstart our exploration of lesser-known passive income sources with digital products. In today's digital age, the internet serves as a global marketplace where individuals can buy and sell a wide range of digital products. If you possess a particular skill set or area of expertise, you can create and sell digital products. Examples of these include ebooks, music, photos, videos, software, or any other form of intellectual property. The appeal of digital products lies in their create once, sell infinitely model, wherein the initial effort of creation can yield perpetual returns without any additional labor. For instance, let's look at ebooks. You can leverage your knowledge or experience in a certain field to write an ebook and sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Barnes & Noble Nook, or Apple Books. After the initial effort of writing and publishing the ebook, every sale made contributes to your passive income. This income stream isn't just limited to conventional ebooks, but also extends to instructional guides, cookbooks, or even children's books. It's a rewarding way to share your expertise while earning a sustainable income. Then there's the fascinating world of stock photography and videography. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images are teeming with content creators selling their creative works. If you have an eye for capturing compelling visuals, this could be a fruitful avenue for you. After the initial effort of capturing and uploading these photos or videos, you receive a royalty fee each time someone purchases your content. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. The second source of passive income that we're delving into is affiliate marketing. At its core, affiliate marketing is a revenue-sharing model where you, the affiliate, earn a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. You pick a product you like, promote it, and earn a piece of the profit from each sale you make. It's a win-win for businesses and affiliates, as businesses only pay when a sale happens, and affiliates can earn income from products they don't have to create themselves. Amazon's affiliate program, known as Amazon Associates, is one of the most popular ones out there. If you're an Amazon associate, you can promote any of the millions of products on Amazon. Each time someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's worth noting that your earnings aren't restricted to the specific product you promote. You earn a commission on all the products the person buys during their shopping session. Then there's the burgeoning field of software affiliate marketing. With the proliferation of digital tools, many software companies offer affiliate programs. You can earn recurring commissions for subscription services, thus generating a steady stream of passive income. But keep in mind, successful affiliate marketing relies heavily on a loyal and engaged audience, as well as promoting products that are genuinely valuable and relevant to them. Number 3. Renting out your car. Next up is a rather unconventional passive income source, renting out your car. If you have a vehicle that often sits idle, you could be missing out on a potentially lucrative income stream. Car rental platforms such as Turo and Get Around have grown in popularity, allowing car owners to rent out their vehicles to people who need them for a short period. With platforms like Turo, you can list your vehicle and set your price, location, and availability. When someone books your car, Turo covers your vehicle with up to $1 million in liability insurance and protection from theft and physical damage. This assurance mitigates most of the risk associated with this process. It's important to keep in mind the wear and tear on your vehicle and the mileage that can accrue over time. However, with prudent management and an understanding of your local market, you can offset these costs and generate a net profit. The income potential can vary depending on factors like your location, the type of car you own, and how frequently it's available to rent. Number 4. Dropshipping. The fourth secret in our journey of uncovering passive income sources is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you, as a store owner, don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. This business model enables you to start an e-commerce store without having to invest in inventory, warehousing, or a brick-and-mortar store. Using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, you can create an online store, partner with dropshipping suppliers like AliExpress or Doba, and start selling. Remember, the key to successful dropshipping business lies in choosing the right niche in products, setting competitive prices, and providing excellent customer service. Although dropshipping requires some upfront effort in setting up the online store and establishing partnerships with suppliers, once it's up and running, it can become a significant source of passive income. Number 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer or P2P lending is the fifth secret we're revealing today. It's a method of debt financing that allows individuals to borrow and lend money without the use of an official financial institution as an intermediary. This removes the middleman from the process, but it also involves more time, effort, and risk than the general brick-and-mortar banking system. P2P lending is conducted through online platforms that pair borrowers with lenders. Prosper and Lending Club are two of the most prominent P2P lending platforms. As a lender, you can potentially earn higher returns compared to traditional investment avenues. But remember, the risk of default is also high in P2P lending. Therefore, it's critical to diversify your lending portfolio and only invest money you can afford to lose. Note that P2P lending is heavily regulated in many countries, and in some it's even prohibited. So before you venture into P2P lending, make sure to understand the legal implications and risk factors associated with it. Number 6. Creating an online course. Our sixth source of passive income is creating an online course. If you're proficient in a particular field or have a skill that others might find valuable, creating and selling an online course can be an excellent way to generate passive income. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare provide platforms where you can share your knowledge and skills with eager learners worldwide. The process involves designing a course around your area of expertise, filming videos or creating other educational content, setting a price, and then publishing it on an online platform. Once your course is live, every new student enrollment translates into income. Be aware that creating a compelling online course requires significant initial effort. You'll need to outline a comprehensive curriculum, produce high-quality educational content, and market your course to attract students. However, once the course is live and attracts students, it can provide a steady stream of passive income. Number 7. Renting out your space. The final secret in our exploration of passive income sources is renting out your space. If you own property and have extra space that you're not using, this could be a significant income source. Platforms like Airbnb have revolutionized the way people travel, making it easier than ever for homeowners to monetize their extra space. Whether you have a vacant room in your home, a guest house, or an entire property, you can list it on Airbnb or similar platforms such as Vrbo or Booking.com. After the initial effort of setting up your listing and getting your space guest ready, each booking contributes to your passive income. Keep in mind, being a host comes with its share of responsibilities, like maintaining the cleanliness and upkeep of the property, managing bookings, and ensuring a smooth guest experience. However, with efficient management, renting out your space can be a lucrative source of passive income. Well, the beauty of passive income lies in the ability to decouple your income from your time. With some upfront effort, you can set up income streams that continue to pay you long after you've completed the work. Whether it's selling digital products, participating in affiliate marketing, renting out your car or space, dropshipping, P2P lending, or creating an online course, there's a myriad of ways to earn passive income. It's all about identifying the opportunities that align with your skills and interests, putting in the initial work, and then reaping the rewards over time. Remember, the journey towards earning passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time, choose the right path for you, and start building towards your financial freedom today.